Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Paris Car Show. We are at the Jeep stand taking a look at the all-new Jeep Avenger. So this is the new all-electric SUV from Jeep and it looks amazing. We have the all-new design with a very slim LED lights. They're actually divided into two sections. So these are the daytime running LEDs. This is the main unit, Jeep Performance LED. Here are the fog lights, and the car has a bunch of cool details throughout the car. I will show you those as well. For example, look at this, and also this element here. Now the front grille is a classic Jeep grille, but of course, since this is an electric model, it is closed. Have the E lettering and nice gloss black finish on this one. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the design? A bit over 4 meters long. Let's actually check out the specs for the model in our video. This is the first edition model, and it's fully electric one, 115 kilowatts, which would mean 156 horsepower and 260 newton meters of torque, 9 seconds to reach 100, top speed is 150, WLTP cycle 400 up to 408 kilometers, which is really good. And yeah, well, as you see, the length of the vehicle just over 4 meters long. It is now time to show you the side profile. So a bit over 4 meters long, a compact SUV. This is the view. Look at the rear door handle in this upper position. Let's check out the wheels. These are the 18-inch wheels, and once again they have this cool element and dual tone, black and silver, and 215 55 R18. That's the dimension of the tires, Goodyear tires on this one. Avenger lettering and also the Jeep lettering on the side. If we move on here to the rear, you will notice the gorgeous design. I really am a big fan of this design, and I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like it? This is your charging port. There we go. And let's take a closer look at those LED lights at the back. X shape of the lights, and once again the cool detail. Not sure if camera is catching it, but believe me, it is very cool. E lettering, Jeep lettering as well. And from this angle, there we go. Now let me show you the trunk. So press this, electric tailgate, nice square shape and dual floor. So you can put this to a upper section. I will actually do it right now. So for example, we can do this, and you have additional room, and some tire repair kit is down there as well. Press this to close the tailgate. And now I also want to show you one detail. Not sure if we will be able to see it on the camera, but here is where you have the mountains in Italy. So really cool. I'm impressed by those small details that you notice. I will show you another one. It is here. Look at this. Only on this side. And now it is time to show you the interior of the car. The layout, digital cockpit, and the main touchscreen. But before we enter the car, let me show you this. Bunch of buttons, of course, for the windows and mirrors. And the door pocket is divided into two sections, so you can put a bottle. And this one, the seats, they have the Jeep lettering and quite cool design. But now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright then, starting with a wider view, 10.25 inch digital cockpit in front of the driver and 10.25 inch main touchscreen. Avenger lettering here and really nice funky design here inside with this section in yellow. And let's explore the infotainment system and everything here with a different view. And let's start with the buttons here. So there are still some buttons, which is always nice to see. For example, you can change the AC, the temperature here. You can also do it with touch, but tell me in the comments, what do you prefer? I think this is really a clever solution. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and B mode. And this is interesting. Look at this. So you have additional room there and USB ports as well as the 12-volt power supply. And I find this really unique and cool. Drive mode selector. Let's see the driving modes: sport, normal, eco, sand, mud and snow. So a lot of modes are available, and you access them by pressing this button, electronic parking brake. Here are this is the storage area and the cup holders, and here some additional room, which is always nice to see. And speaking about the storage area, look at this. This is all storage area, and the glove compartment is really huge for a vehicle like this. A thumb up from me. Now the infotainment system. Cool thing is that you have the physical buttons for the vehicle settings, so the functions, bunch of safety and driver assist systems are available. Here is your home menu, and here is where you adjust a bunch of things. For example, look at this. There we go. And you can add widgets depending on what you use the most, but I think this is really a cool way to change between the things that you see in front of you, because here when you go to settings, you can go to customization, display customization, and now you customize the main touchscreen. So you see we can add a widget here, for example AC widget. Okay, and so I'm adding now a bunch of things so that we have the last page full. Okay, so this is the last page now. If I go back, it will ask us if we want to save. Yes, we do. And now what we did is we've added this last page. You see, now we have all of the things that I've put. You can also adjust the display, driver display, the same way. Look at this. A lot of views are available, and you can adjust those, of course, based on what you use the most. For example, this is one way to have it. And once again, it will ask us if we want to save the settings changes. Yes, we do. And that's it. It is now saved. And let's go back to the home screen. So yeah, a lot of options. Energy flow, you see front electric motor and the battery, of course. And if you want to change the views on the cockpit, you can also do it here. So by just pressing this. So I really am feeling great behind the wheel of the new Jeep full electric model, the Avenger. And now let me show you the situation at the rear bench. And there we go. This is the situation at the rear bench. Lovely view on the front. We also have the USB port. And now let me show you how much space I have for my head. All right, there we go. And good news, look at the amount of space I still have, and I'm 1.87 meters. And this is how the car looks with the lights turned on, LED indicators turned on as well. You see the daytime running LEDs turn into indicators. And here also at the wing mirrors, we have those. And if we move on to the rear, X shape of the indicators, LED technology, beautiful design. And before we end the video, let's check out the price. So this is the price for the model in the video. Okay guys, that was it, a first look at the new Jeep Avenger. Tell me in the comments how do you like it. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come from Paris Car Show. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye bye.